I don't think your team should be using Claude Code. There's an easier way that most people don't know about. It's called Slack, and it's how you should be using AI agents. You can just tell your Meta Ads agent what to do in Slack, and then it'll run the whole campaign autonomously. I build AI agents, and the easiest way for my clients to use them is through Slack. I'm going to show you how I run a Meta Ads agent campaign from Slack, briefing an AI agent that handles the whole thing autonomously. You'll see three things. 1, how I brief the agent in plain English. 2, what it builds for me. And then 3, how I approve it, all from the DMs of Slack. There's no prompting tricks or magic words that I use. I just tell it what I want. The same way I'd brief a team member. Nobody on my team has to learn Claude Code. That's why this matters.
All right, here we go. So I have a Google Drive with my ad creatives already in them. I have these 4 ad creatives for the ad campaign that I need. That's all that I'm going to need for this ad campaign. All right, we'll go ahead and open up Slack. Okay, we're going to go to the Meta Ads agent, and I'm going to use a slash command, and it's going to be create campaign. All right, we'll press enter. Okay, and we get a little form. It's asking for the Google Drive URL. We'll go ahead and pull that up. We'll go ahead and just grab those videos. We'll pop it in. Daily budget's going to be $20. And then here's all I'm going to say. This is for Neyland Solutions. This is a bottom of funnel campaign. No zip. Objective is website leads. All right, and then we'll just press start. And it will do its thing. Right? Right, so it says at Patrick Neyland, that's my name, kicked off a new campaign build, and here it is, and it's working on it. I'll jump back in once it's done, or if there's any questions it has for me. All right, I just went and had a snack. It looks like it took 4 minutes. Let's see what we got here. All right, all fields resolved from client profile. Boom, boom, boom. All right, it wrote out I did all of it. Let's see if it say, hey, are you finished? Are the ads all uploaded? Let's see what it has to say. Nope, it just said not yet. The campaign and ad set are created. Videos are uploaded. Copy is done. Still need to create the creatives and ads. Getting thumbnails now. We're almost there. It's only been like 5 or 6 minutes. And we haven't had to do any of the work. All right, we're like 2 minutes in past that last conversation, 2 minutes ago. And where did we go? 3:01. So I set the first message at 2:49. It took 12 minutes and 0 work from me. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, I'll take us straight to the Meta Ads Manager and the one it just created. Let's see, I believe it's this one. All right, bottom of funnel. Yeah, everything's there. It's just processing. That's how you do it. Just from Slack, I had an AI agent go out and create an entire Meta Ads campaign. A client that I recently was working with said that it would take them about an hour to do this setup from a collection of Google Drive videos into the actual campaign. It took 12 minutes of completely passive work. The person controlling the agent, probably the account manager, could have been doing something completely different the entire time. Hope you liked it.
If you've been trying to get your team into AI, but nobody wants to learn another tool, just put the agent in Slack like we did here. Nothing changes about their workflow. There's just stuff taken off their plate. The agent has to do it. What would you like to see built in this platform? Leave a comment below.